Hello and good day to everybody. It's John again. Look at these views, beautiful valley views. This is the village Koselovo, which is located 40 kilometres away from Rusay. It's a beautiful big house. The roof is pretty much sound and is a little bit on one edge, but there's no leaks. It comes with 2,500 square metres of land. It's brick built on stone base. And if you have a look downstairs, for example, you can see the concrete lintels. It's been built very well. It's strong but abandoned. Beautiful views from the property. This video is made by Yoana. And you can see it's somewhat overgrown, it hasn't been looked after. But that does not mean this is not a good property, and for €12,500 it's a complete investment. Absolutely wonderful. All the walls inside the property look like it's had wallpaper stripped. One room, two rooms. Again, it looks very dark because the windows are boarded up, which you can see. I can't see any major problems, to be honest. And this is the corridor. This is the other rooms. So that's three big rooms and a corridor. Now when you're repairing these properties, it's an idea to put a bathroom downstairs or a toilet downstairs and a bathroom upstairs at the end of the corridor. It works well and it doesn't take any needed space. The property looks strong. It doesn't look like there are any defects. And Koselovo is a large, lively village. So, as you can see, the staircase is overgrown. But the brickwork's in good condition and there's no movement. You can't see any movement whatsoever across the whole building. Upstairs seems to be the same situation. It looks like it's had wallpaper stripped off the walls. Again, you can see that it looks pretty good. Blank canvas for someone with the right motivation. There's one room. This is where you would put the bathroom upstairs at the end of the corridor. Two rooms, which is a nice master bedroom. On the left there is the balcony, which unfortunately faces away from the views. And last, the third room. Again, a nice sized room, no major problems, beautiful views from the window. With this property, you haven't got to fix anything. You've literally got to make it how you want it. There's nothing hidden. It's raw. This is the damage to the edge of the roof, and that's all it is. There's no more. This could be a beautiful project for somebody. Absolutely stunning. And Koselovo is not the end of the world situation. It's actually a nice village.